KMRSounds.
Ay, 24 hours in a day, and the first thing y'all do is start hating. Couldn't be me, I'm about my breach, in my sleep getting paid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wanna fight me over my wanna see this? You might as well let that go. He feeling the, he know, feeling the drip. He know that these gon' hate. He know that you want him cause you know he with me. And he ain't taking the bait. Make no mistake, just as I'm cute in this, don't mean I won't run in your ish. Yeah, it's fun. Whenever that see me out, she already know what I'm on. Flip flop, like it fake, I'm a chip chop. Say she don't know me, she fan out on TikTok. Stop thinking you the been quiet. Can't get your back cause he with a now. Can't make me argue with no. Dogging you out, getting ghosted. Running to see what I posted. Getting in 10 with my feet by the ocean.
It's whatever. It's whenever. It's whatever. It's whenever. It's whatever.
It's whenever. It's whatever. It's whenever. It's whatever. It's whenever. It's whatever. We can do it right now. Take it out the tub. Stomach got out. Yeah, what about it? Do the talk, this shit look this good? Nah, highly doubt it. Real life IG, all the real bad follow me. Locked up, been through a way to keep still stalking me. Ay, out of sight, but still on you mind. Disappear, then I pop out more fine. Holding my own way. Co-sign me against everybody on the front line. Who they compare to me? If they say the hot, then she better be. If she right on, then we finna see. Know that my pen never out of ink. I love when I hear that a don't like me. Stalk my IG. This pretty face on her FYP. Been done with it, but the still type in. Keep going, cause that shit hype me. Hanging with ops, you a chop. Do your thing, but that ain't how I rock. You don't appreciate loyalty. I don't act shy accordingly.